Hey, it's Jason Hornung here. I'm the founder of JH Media LLC. We're a full-service digital advertising agency that specializes in helping our clients produce profitable Facebook ads. And in this video, you're going to learn the basics of Facebook advertising in just a few minutes. Now, it's probably going to be a little bit different than what you're expecting because most people are thinking about the basics of Facebook advertising. They think of like the components of the ad and putting the ad together and using the platform. And most people focus on that stuff. But what I want to do is share with you something that I think is a lot more important and foundational to your success with Facebook ads. And that's having the right strategy behind your ads. So no matter what you do with your ads, and this is why strategy is so important, is no matter what you do, no matter what platform you're on, whether it's Facebook, if you don't have the right strategy, your ads will always fail. Okay, so you have to have a solid strategy in place. And so what I'm going to teach you here today is I'm going to teach you the most basic strategy possible so that you can start doing ads and start getting people into a marketing funnel and then start to convert them into profitable customers that you can help and love your products and services. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to the screen and I'm going to actually walk you through one of my own ads and my own personal funnel right now, one of my personal funnels, so that you can see the strategy, this most basic strategy, and how it actually works in all reality. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and go to the screen now. And what you're seeing right here is this is one of my ads for a lead magnet that I use to get people to opt into my email list so that I can do ongoing follow-up marketing with these people through email. Because, now that they're on my email list, I own that asset and I can market to those people over and over again at really effectively no additional cost to me, all right? So this is the most effective model that we've used for our clients over the years, and we've literally generated tens of millions of leads since 2013 using this particular model right here. So it's a very simple ad that is just promoting this lead magnet that we're offering, which is a PDF and a video that teaches people about some stuff that's important to them with running ads. Okay, so when somebody clicks on that ad, what it does is it takes them out to our landing page where, again, we're offering the same thing, and you'll see that the imagery is congruent, the messaging is congruent. So when people get here, they know that they're getting the thing that they clicked on, right? So then all they simply do is they can click this button, they can give us an email. I just put a fake email in there because I want to make sure that I'm not getting my own emails, because I already do. And then when they opt in, then we send them to this simple page where we actually deliver the lead magnet that we promised them in the ad and on the landing page. So we're effectively giving them what they asked for right away. This is the most simple and most elegant funnel model that you can have, and it's just a lead gen funnel. So now when somebody registered on that last page, their email goes into my system, and that triggers a whole series of follow-up emails and marketing processes and systems that we use to take that lead and move them from becoming a lead into becoming a customer so that our advertising campaign becomes profitable and we can help those people achieve their goals with advertising. So if you want to be successful with Facebook ads, these are the basics, is getting down your strategy to convert leads and then start converting those leads into paying customers. So use this in your business right now. You can go ahead and model this right now. Go ahead and use it and start generating leads and start turning those leads into customers today. Do you believe that you have to be some kind of great writer in order to put together Facebook ads that convert? Well, I'm telling you, that's actually nonsense. Do you believe that you have to have some kind of mystical settings or know something that will allow you to target buyers properly on Facebook that's just being held from you? Well, that's nonsense too. And do you believe that you actually have to have like really deep pockets with a lot of money to burn in order to test and find out what's actually going to work for you so you can be profitable with Facebook ads? Well, that's nonsense too. Hey, my name is Jason Hornung. I'm the founder of JH Media LLC. We specialize in creating profitable Facebook ads for ourselves and our clients. We've spent over $30 million since 2013 profitably doing so. And what I have for you today is something super, super, super exciting that's going to solve all three of those problems for you. You see, what it is it's a free PDF along with 2 videos that's going to walk you through a campaign that we put together for a client that produced over $1 million in revenue at better than a 2-to-1 return on ad spend. On the PDF, what you're going to see is an actual copy of the ad, the full ad, along with a complete breakdown of all the elements of the ad so you can understand why it works and how to put it together for your own business. On top of that, you're going to get a video that walks you through exactly how I did that. So you can see that and you can hear it and you can learn how to apply it in your own business. Then the next thing is you're going to get a second video that'll walk you through what I call our lazy man's guide to targeting buyers with Facebook ads. This is the exact process that we use for ourselves and our clients to find all the profit producing targets that our tender little hearts desire so that we can put ads like I teach you out to those targets and start to bring in the profits that make the bank account balance go up and up and up. Then the last thing is throughout both of those videos, you're going to actually see how we launch campaigns at as little as $5 a day for testing budgets, and we can find out how things are working and not working, turn off our losers, and then scale up our winners so that we can create profitable ad campaigns and get them to the max level of profit as possible. So if that's something that's interesting to you, which I can't imagine why it wouldn't be, all you got to do is you got to click one of the buttons that's here. There should be, if you're on desktop, it'll be like in the lower right-hand corner. If you're on mobile, it'll be in like the upper right-hand corner or left-hand corner. I don't know, I'm probably pointing the wrong area. But either way, you click one of those buttons, it's going to take you out to my page. You can register to receive this PDF and these 2 free videos, and you'll get them delivered to your email instantly so that you can go ahead and you can go through it, you can learn, you can apply it in your business, and you can start making money with your Facebook ads today.